Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is our June 2023 challenge to use this mood board to put together your kit. I am now on layout number 2 using my kit. If you want to see the reveal of my kit, you need to go to the first Monday of June, which is June 5th. And all the links, all my videos are over at my YouTube channel, and I have a playlist for Mini Kit Monday if you would like to go check out prior videos as well for Mini Kit Monday. All right, we are documenting 2 photographs. One is of the airplane coming into Hawaii, the big island, and this is the island there, and you can see the lava rock through that clear crystal ocean. Love it, love it, love it. You see the waves breaking onto the island, and then this darker is the lava rock on top of the land. And then the green part, of course, is areas of resorts and homes, etc., etc. So this is what I am documenting. So we have these 2 photographs, this scrap paper, which I had planned to back my photographs, either using that side or this side. And I think I'm going to go for the blue with the little bit of white. I think. Then in my kit, I have this little rub-on. I have my word awesome. I have an arrow, chipboard arrow from an older collection called the Journey Collection from Crate Paper. I have 2 sticker phrases, scenic outlook, fabulous landmark. I have this really tiny tag, which came from a 12 by 12 paper of tags all about travel, and I cut that one out. I have this rub on from 49 and Market. I don't know if I'll put it on top here of this pattern paper that I'm going to show you in a minute, or put it over here to the side. I did distress the edge of my paper, and we'll go over that in a minute. I have this sticker sheet, and I think it's from an older collection from Close to My Heart. And then I have a life card here that is 3 by 4. So let's scoot it up here. This is going to be a very quick layout because of this beautiful pattern paper, and I have chosen not to cover it up, not to alter it that much, other than I trimmed 1/8 of an inch off all sides, distressed it with the back side of my scissors, and tore the inside edge here a little bit because I had these rub-ons, and I thought I would have them peeking out here possibly. I'm going to place my photographs over here on the left side. So let's get those matted. Yes, you are looking at a finished layout, and my voice sounds different because I was not able to create this layout and videotape it from start to finish, because when I started to do the embellishing of this layout, my husband decided to go mow the yard, and my windows were open because it is just a beautiful, breezy day, and I had the windows open. So now I am just going to go over the process, and I found a good stopping point, I think, in the video before my husband started mowing the lawn. So if I repeat anything, I do apologize for that. But I think I found a good stopping point. For my title, the first thing I did was watercolor it. And it is a watercolor paper. And I use the Jane Davenport watercolor paints. And I decided this yellow, which now kind of looks like a yellowish green, use Buzz. And for the aqua color below, I used 70 eyeshadow. And I purposely did the bottom portion first. I did not rinse off my paintbrush because I wanted that kind of ombre. I didn't want the yellow to be too bright as it shows right here. So by letting some of this 70 eyeshadow be on the paintbrush, it made it lighter. I set that to the side and let it dry somewhat while I embellished this layout, which is very, very simple because of this beautiful pattern paper. I think I left in the portion where I distressed this. I'm hoping I did. But anyway, I distressed this, and then I used some of the 49 and Market rub-ons, and I placed some right here, which is hard to tell, but in person you can see it. It adds that little bit of interest. Then when I place the photographs down, there is a white space, kind of just like right in here, and it just didn't feel right. So I took more of the rub-on and placed it under the photograph. Then the next thing that I did was add the chipboard arrow right here. Then I took the stickers of the sand dollar and shell and crab and layered that up. And I also had a pair of flip-flops, but I was not able to incorporate that. I tried to place it over here, and I just wasn't feeling it. It just didn't look right. So we just have that cluster here. I placed those word phrases right here, scenic outlook, cut this one and put landmark. I added the butterfly. Then I added these mint enamel dots. Then I did my usual thing for the finishing touches was to add splatters. I used medium gloss spray by Dana Wakley in lime. Love it. And it matches perfectly with my title. I used Heidi Swapp Color Shine in teal. And again, splattered up here and here. Then I wanted to add a little bit like of a yellow, and I grabbed the wrong one. I don't know what I was thinking. Or no, I know. I was wanting to add some of this kind of orangey color in. So I grabbed this Tangerine Dream, and the little splatters were just fine, but I had two blobs right here and this blob right here, and I was not liking it. So I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? I couldn't really put any sticker here. So I went into my box of enamel dots, and I found these off-white colored ones. And I placed it over my boo-boo here, and then made some right there, and then added two there. And that was it. Yeah, it was just very quick. I appreciate you all for stopping by and watching my video. Show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. It's for free. It helps bring traffic to my channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I don't know that is looking for inspiration, and this may be their style. It may not be your style, but it may be someone else's style. That's the beauty of scrapbooking. So now get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document your memories in a fun, creative way. And of course, keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.